Greetings everyone. Welcome to the PDF2ID tables conversion tutorial. Most of you appreciate PDF2ID's incredible capability in converting PDFs and Windows XPS files to fully editable InDesign files. Today we want to go over how PDF2ID seamlessly converts tables and PDF files to fully formatted InDesign tables. We also want to introduce how you can customize the table formatting with a few simple settings. I have a PDF file on the desktop which I'm going to convert to the InDesign type using PDF2ID. But before we do that, let's just view the PDF file in Acrobat to see the kind of file it is. Here on the first page we have some text, graphics, and a table. You'll notice how the table has both vertically and horizontally merged cells. Certain rows also contain different colorations. You also immediately notice that this PDF has varying page sizes. Scrolling to the second page, again, we notice that there are a couple more tables towards the bottom left, right over here. And we notice that the large table doesn't have any merged cells, but has the dingbats checkmark character. The table looking data just below that has its top row merged. Let's just zoom in to view this. We notice that the top row is merged, and we also notice that the second row has its left and rightmost borders hidden. So let's convert this file using PDF2ID to the InDesign type and observe the result. What we're going to do is switch to InDesign, and as usual we're going to use the PDF2ID convert PDF/XPS file command from the Recosoft menu. So once we choose the command, we get to choose a file to convert. So this is the file we're going to convert, and we say open. Once we get to the PDF2ID options dialog, let's just click OK to convert the file. This file we are converting will take a little longer to convert than usual, as PDF2ID has to inspect the data and form tables, but it should be close to perfect. One thing we want to mention, there we go, it's already converted. That wasn't too bad at all. Here we have the converted output. Let's just observe the layout fidelity. We notice that PDF2ID formed a table that is an almost exact replica as found in the PDF file. We notice that, yes, the vertically merged cells exist and the horizontally merged cells exist. The colorations have been appropriately applied and other table properties have been observed and maintained. So it's almost an exact replica. If you just compare it with the original PDF file, let's just go to Acrobat over here. Let's view the PDF. And there we go. This is the original Acrobat PDF file in Acrobat, and this is the converted output. Now, let's just scroll to the second page. We notice immediately that variable page size PDFs do get converted to variable size InDesign files. Now, as we scroll to the second page, we notice that PDF2ID did create two additional tables. The very first table, which is over here, the formatting is almost exact and the dingbats character exists. This is all live and editable. And we notice the bottom table over here has its border properties properly applied. We just go to the view preview here. We notice that the left and rightmost borders are hidden, but PDF2ID was able to create a table out of this. We also want to point out the layers panel. You notice that PDF2ID automatically created three distinct layers. It created the text layer, which is at the top. We created the table layer, which is the second most, and it created the graphics layer, which is the bottom most. Let's just hide these to verify it. As you can see, PDF2ID did all of this work automatically, reducing any effort on your part in creating structured and formatted InDesign documents. Let's just say you don't like the way PDF2ID formats the borders or certain cell properties. You can customize this via the preferences. To get to the preferences, you need the PDF2ID options window open. So we go through the same process of invoking the PDF2ID convert PDF/XPS file command, select the PDF file and click open. When the PDF2ID options window appears, we notice the preferences panel. So we click preferences over here. And the preferences panel allows you to make a lot of settings, but let's just go to the formatting options. And we immediately notice in formatting options that you can define table and cell properties. You can define the border type and weight. You can use specified or PDF2ID's calculated values, horizontal and vertical justification. You can even specify the type of border that PDF2ID should apply during the conversion. PDF2ID allows you to tailor all of these with a few clicks so that you can get the best converted output. Well, that's it with the converting PDF tables to InDesign tables. We hope we were able to help you understand how robust the table conversion and formatting is using PDF2ID. If you have any questions, please visit us at www.recosoft.com. That's www.recosoft.com. Thank you and goodbye.